Alright, so we're doing an update to our succulent planter box for the dining room table that didn't quite go as planned. Initially it was something that I had seen on Pinterest. Chase made the planter box and then we got all the materials, we painted it, and basically we're ready to go with the succulents. So we'll show you a picture of what the Pinterest posts look like and what we were going for, and you can see that we went through and bought all these materials and basically had everything laid out. We were even going through and shooting the video to add everything in, and things kind of just went downhill from there.
It was a bad scene.
So basically the succulents were too tall. Some of them went over the candles, some of them were did not look good in the box at all. We had put rocks in the bottom layer so that we would have irrigation in the box, and the rocks basically raised it up too high so there wasn't enough dirt. And it wasn't a good scene. So we didn't want to scrap everything, so what we did is we just took some basic bag of rocks from Lowe's.
It's egg rock, I think.
Yeah, and then we put our candles in the glass containers that we have purchased. They're just fake candles, and then put them in there. And so now we have a candle centerpiece for the dining room table rather than a succulent centerpiece, but it still looks good. It does match our color scheme, so
yeah.
It worked out well. It is heavy, so you can't really move it around very much. I think you can kind of see what's going on with it there, but
yeah,
it works out. So
yeah, it looks nice. I mean, the glass things here help stop the rocks from falling in, and I think it adds to it. I think it looks pretty good.
So it's a Pinterest fail, but a win in the end because we were able to save it. So again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can catch all of our upcoming videos and our vlog of what we do daily. And till next time.